We all want to be helpful and kind, but sometimes saying yes to everything can hurt us more than help. Saying no is a way to protect our time, energy, and focus. It's okay to say no, and you don't have to feel guilty about it. When you say yes to too many things, you get overwhelmed. Your attention splits in many directions. You lose focus on what really matters. Setting boundaries helps you stay focused and do your best work. First, understand this. Saying no is not being selfish. It's being responsible. You are responsible for your own goals, health, and happiness. When you say no to distractions or extra tasks, you are saying yes to your priorities. How can you say no without feeling bad? Start by recognizing your limits. Know how much time and energy you truly have. When someone asks for your help, take a moment to think. Do you have space for this right now? If not, it's okay to say no. You don't need to give a long explanation. A simple, "I can't take this on right now," or "I need to focus on other things" is enough. Being honest and clear shows respect for yourself and others. Sometimes people might feel disappointed or push back. Remember, their reaction is not your problem. Your job is to protect your boundaries. Over time, people will understand and respect your limits. Also, practice saying no early. The longer you wait, the harder it feels. If you delay, you may feel pressured or guilty. Saying no right away helps you stay in control. Setting boundaries means choosing what's important. It means protecting your focus so you can achieve your goals. Saying no without guilt lets you have more energy for what truly matters. In summary, saying no is a healthy habit. It helps you stay focused, reduces stress, and improves your productivity. Remember your limits, be honest, and say no kindly but firmly. You don't have to say yes to everything. Say no without guilt and watch how your focus and life improve.